Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will discuss a few problems on tangents and normals. My first question is, the tangent to the curve y equal to e power x drawn at the point P, C comma e power c intersects the line joining the points A, c minus 1 comma e power c minus 1 and B, c plus 1 comma e power c plus 1. The options are on the left of x equals c, on the right of x equals c, at no point, at all the points. Let us see the solution. Now, the given curve is y equal to e power x. Differentiating it, dy by dx is equal to e power x. We will look into a few formulae here. Let y is equal to fx be a curve and px1 y1 be a point on the curve. Number 1, slope of the tangent to the curve at P is equal to m is equal to dy by dx at P is equal to f dash x at P is equal to f dash x1. Number 2, the tangent and normal drawn to a curve at a point are perpendicular to each other. So, the slope of the normal at P is equal to minus 1 by m is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx, where m is the slope of the tangent. This is dy by dx at P. This is equal to minus 1 by f dash x at P is equal to minus 1 by f dash x1. Now using this formula here, we will solve this problem. So now the slope of tangent at P is equal to dy by dx at P is equal to e power c. Now equation of the tangent at P, y minus e power c is equal to y minus e power c equal to e power c into x minus c. You call this as the first equation. Now it is given that the tangent to the curve at P is intersecting the line joining AB. So equation of line joining A comma B, y minus e to the power of c minus 1 is equal to e to the power of c plus 1 minus e to the power of c minus 1 by c plus 1 minus c minus 1 into x minus c minus 1. This is equal to y minus e to the power of c minus 1 is equal to e to the power of c plus 1 minus e to the power of c minus 1 by 2 into x minus c plus 1. You can call this as second equation. Now the points of intersection is needed. We will solve these two equations. Now by eliminating y from these two equations, we will get the value of x. So here subtracting 2 from 1, 1 minus 2. Y minus e power c, this is y minus e power c minus 1. E power c minus 1 minus e power c is equal to, this is e power c into x minus c, e power c minus e power c plus 1 minus e power c minus 1 by 2 into x minus c minus e to the power of c plus 1 minus e to the power of c minus 1 by 2. Now here it can be, you can take e power c common everywhere, e power c into e power minus 1 is equal to e power c into 2 minus e plus e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus c, and this is minus e power c into e minus e power minus 1 by 2. You can cancel e power c everywhere. You will have e power minus 1 minus 1 plus e minus e power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 minus e plus e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus c. This is equal to 2 e power minus 1 minus e power minus 1. E power minus 1 plus e minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 minus e plus e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus c. This 2 gets cancelled. Now you can write x minus c is equal to e plus e power minus 1. This is minus 2 by, this is 2 minus e plus e power minus 1. Now it is less than 0, implies x is less than c, therefore they will intersect on the left of x is equal to c. So this will be the option. The second question is, if the normal to the curve y equal to fx at the point 3, 4 makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with positive x-axis, then f dash 3 equal to. This is also a question given in JEE. Now here the given term is y is equal to fx. Now the normal at the point 3, 4. So let us differentiate it. dy by dx is equal to f dash x. Slope of the normal at p3, 4 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at p is equal to minus 1 by f dash x at 3, 4 is equal to minus 1 by f dash 3. It is given that the normal is making an angle 3 pi by 4 with the positive x-axis. By data, slope of the normal at p is equal to tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1, implies minus 1 by f dash 3 is equal to minus 1, implies f dash 3 is equal to 1. So the fourth option is the correct answer.